Okay, so hi dear Cancer, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali and this is a general love reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus or Rising from 8 till the 14th of December 2025. The rules can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Okay, because it's general, it might or might not resonate. Okay, want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Okay, the overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now, Cancer. Let's see what we have. The mutual energy or the overall energy of the connection right now. So we have the Three of Pentacles, King of Cups, Two of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Ace of Wands. This is a collaboration or partnership where there's a lot of love, there's a lot of respect, but things are going back and forth, on and off, in and out. Things are not going smooth here, right? This might be a business or job or career kind of deal that you guys are doing together, and this is converting into something romantic or something more serious. If not that, it's not like obviously it's not for everyone that you guys are doing business or job or work together or something, but there's a sense of working on this situation. There is equal interest, there is equal investment from both the sides, but there are chances of other people, other energy, at least one interfering in the connection, interfering in the bond in some way, and things are going back and forth, up and down, on and off. You guys are trying your best to keep some kind of balance in the situation, but it's not happening. That's why things are kind of not that much stable right now. Bottom of the deck is the Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands. It's like your intuition. Both of you are intuitively connected to each other, meaning you guys can feel each other's energy from a distance. Also, even if you guys are miles apart, you guys can sense each other's energies, and you guys can feel that this is something beyond explanation. This bond, this connection. For some of you, because of this situation, you guys are becoming more and more spiritual. You guys are becoming more and more interested in spirituality and those kind of things for some of you. Now, the mutual energy here is of love and respect, but that love is kind of unexpressed, or you can say unsaid. It's there, you guys can feel it, but you guys are not expressing it, or you guys are holding back the urge or desire to say something or do something about it. That is creating this on and off, in and out kind of energy. The lesson here is you guys have to come on the same page in order for the situation to go somewhere, whether it's heading toward a brand new future, a brand new opportunity, or it's getting dissolved. So whatever it is, you guys have to come on the same page to maintain the equilibrium, to maintain the to create the stable base for the situation to go ahead. Cool. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Cancer. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. So we have the Empress. So this person sees you in a very respectful, in a very beautiful, and this person feels like having a growth and expansion kind of energy between you and them. This person sees you in a very respectful and beautiful way, very loving, caring and nurturing kind of energy. Cancer people are loving and nurturing and caring for sure, and this person sees you as the one who have those qualities with whom they can go ahead with, right? Let's clarify the Empress here. We have the Four of Cups, the Knight of Cups, and the Temperance. So this is someone who is creating scenarios and stories in their head, and they feel like if they are going to come forward towards you, you are going to reject them. For some of you, you have already rejected somebody in the past, and now they are disappointed that you guys are not together, but they still see you as someone with whom they can see a future with. So they are very patiently waiting for the time when either you are going to give them a green signal, so that you guys can be together again. Okay, or they will be able to move forward properly and honestly from this situation. So they feel love towards you, respect towards you, but they are also feeling disappointed because they are not able to be with you for whatever reason. They are very patiently waiting for the time when you guys will be either together, or they will be able to move forward completely from the situation, from their feelings. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? King of Swords, you are being very, very practical here. Very practical, very logical, very cutthroat energy, kind of cold and off and detached. Like, you are giving somebody the vibes that I don't care. Let's clarify the King of Swords here as your feelings. We have the Four of Wands, Seven of Wands, and the Page of Wands. Wow, there are lots of wands. You feel like this person and you don't have a future together. So what's the use of even going in that direction? You feel like keeping a cordial relationship or just a friendship kind of a deal with someone, and they're not liking it. Somebody feels like having you as a lover, and you feel like keeping them as a friend only, and that is creating a lot of tension between you guys. For one of you, it could be possible that one of you are married or committed to someone else, and that's why you guys are blocking this connection to move forward. But still, you guys feel like keeping a cordial connection. So from your side, you feel like this situation between you and this particular person who is stuck on you, there is no future, there is no commitment possible, and you feel like keeping a friendship kind of thing or just a cordial kind of bond between you and them. And they're not liking it. Okay. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cancer? Knight of Swords. This person wants to like rush towards you. They want to come running towards you. It's like they want to do some kind of let's clear the air kind of a thing as quickly as possible. Let's clarify the Knight of Swords here. We have the Hermit, the Fool, the Page of Swords. This person wants to break the silence. They want to do something about this situation. They want to take the risk of coming forward towards you once again and see what can happen between you guys. Even if you said clearly no to this person is not giving up on this situation. They're not giving up on the idea of being with you again. Okay. So this person wants to rush towards you. They want to come forward towards you with some kind of fresh energy, with fresh offer. But this silence, this you being cold and off and detached with them is not working out with them anymore. They're like, I have to do something about it. Wow. You're keeping this person deliberately away from yourself because maybe you have told them already that you are not interested in that way or something, and they're not able to take it in a positive way. I don't see this person as revengeful or hateful. I do see this person as like, okay, but I love you and I just want to be with you and this is important for me, so I just want to roam around you, circle around you until you are going to say yes or something. And they are not obsessed or possessive or somebody who is kind of jealous or revengeful or something. No, they are in this genuinely in this loving and caring kind of energies towards you as of now. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? Tera ye ishq mera fitur. King of Cups. You just want to handle things with a lot of love and compassion, with a lot of emotional maturity. You don't want things to go like so bad that you guys are each other's enemies or something, right? Let's clarify the King of Cups here. We have the Queen of Swords, the Knight of Wands, Empress. Yes, you want to be very, very clear about what you really want out of this situation. You just want to remain very stern in this decision of yours, that you might take them as a friend, you might travel the world with them as a friend, you might take this situation as something that's good to have, in your life, but you are not going to give them any kind of false hopes, or you are not going to give them, yeah, that kind of energy of commitment or loving, romantic love kind of energy. See, I think you have your eyes on someone else or something else, and you're very much interested in going in that direction. The problem here is, Cancer, even if you are not ready to accept this person in your life as a lover or something, you don't want them to get out of your life completely. You want them to, like, you want to keep them around you. Maybe this is somebody who is very important for you. Maybe you love them as a friend, or maybe you just feel you can feel their pain, and that's why you feel like you should keep them around. This is not how it works, my love. You have to let it go if you are not interested, or if you're not into this situation. The problem here is you are also invested in the situation, but in a totally different way. So you want to keep this situation going around. Meanwhile, you are having your energies invested somewhere else, with something else or someone else. You're like, that's important and I have to go in that direction. Okay, take it how it resonates with you. It's complicated. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 14th of December, Cancer. Temperance, you just want, like, there is a lot of healing, there's a lot of patience, there's a lot of, okay, let's sort it out with love kind of energy here. Okay, let's clarify the temperance. We have Six of Pentacles, Six of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, you guys will be able to find a middle ground in a situation. You guys will be able to find a peaceful solution to a problem that you guys are facing in a particular situation, in a particular dynamics, and things will start moving forward towards peace, but very, very slow, gently, slowly, steadily, but things will start moving in the direction of healing and bringing the balance back in the situation somehow, very slowly, very gently, but eventually. Now for some of you, it can mean that it can simply means that you guys are parting ways, and you guys are being okay with that with time, and or you guys are finding a middle ground, where both of you are like saying yes to the idea of just remaining friends or something. Take it how it resonates with you according to your thing, your scenario. The thing here is, Cancer, all of us have free will, and according to that free will, you guys can either come back together, or you guys can separate your ways properly, right? But whatever it is going to be, it is going to bring a balance, or bring a sense of justice, harmony, and balance back in the situation, and you are going to be finally at peace. Okay, that's cool. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Cancer. इस रंग कहे रंग जाऊं. Okay, so if you are if you are being hyper independent, or if you are not getting involved in any kind of relationship just because you think you don't want to add drama into your life, no matter what, then this is not a valid reason to not to enter in a relationship, honey. Yeah, it means you're scared of opening up, you're scared of opening up your heart again to things, people, or situations that are going to disturb your peace in any way. This is not real growth. This is bypassing. In spirituality, we call it spiritual bypassing, where we are deliberately avoiding certain people or situations or things, emotions, because we think if we are going to go in that direction, we have to face the issue, and then maybe we have to properly heal it and release it, and it's going to be very time consuming, and so why not to avoid it? So avoiding love because just because you think it's going to be a disaster, every time you are going to be in love is not the solution here. Being hyper independent, being in this energy of, oh, relationship is equal to disaster, relationship is equal to drama, so why not to just stay single and do my own thing and not be in any kind of relationship, involved in any relationship whatsoever. That's not how it works. You are being deceptive with yourself. Every human like needs love. Okay, every human, maybe not romantic love, but you are kind of in this energy of, but love is equal to drama, so no, I'm good. So the guidance here is that if you are avoiding relationship, romantic relationship, even if there's love, even if your heart is telling you to go in that direction, you are not doing the right thing with yourself. You are, you know, exploiting yourself, your own growth. Think about it and understand the point here, and then move forward. This time I'm going to leave it on you what you're going to make out of this guidance. Okay, cool. So let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area. This portion might or might not resonate with you. Please keep that in mind. If it doesn't, leave this portion. You don't have to be worried about it. And I'm going to give you 10 seconds. If they are not enough, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. Cool. Now you can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. I'm going to give you 10 seconds for the same, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is not the right time. For what? I don't know. From the guidebook, we have sometimes a path or choice might be the right one for you, but the timing is currently off. Instead of giving up on your dream, realize that maybe it needs to be put on hold, or you need to keep working at it a little longer until the stars are aligned. Okay, that's the answer for you if this is making sense. If not, leave this portion. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.